This is the basic setup tutorial for the Bazoing website service. These are the essential Start Here steps you need to perform to personalize your website. The first option is Choose Template. This option allows you to choose the design template with the color choice and look and feel you'd like. Scroll through the thumbnail images to view the available template selections. If you find one you'd like to see in a larger format, simply click on View Large. This brings up an expanded area that shows you the actual template. When you find one you like, simply click on the template to select it. More templates are currently being added into the system as the Bazoing service grows. And remember, you can change your site's look and feel at any time with just a click. Next, let's look at Choose Header. This is an additional way for you to customize your site's top area. Each template has several different header options, so simply scroll through to find the images or text you like. Most templates have blank headers as an option as well. To select the template header, simply click on it. Next is Company Logo. This is where you can upload your store's logo to your website. If you don't add a logo, the default text comes up as your store name. To add a logo, click Browse and select the file from your local hard drive. To save the logo, choose Update Store Logo. Next, choose Set Homepage Text. This allows you to enter the text that goes on your homepage in the Welcome area. The format of entry is similar to a Microsoft Word editor, where you can choose different options like bolding text or even add your own images hosted by companies like ImageShack or imagehosting.com. On this example, we've already added a big fall sale graphic. Remember, at any time to view your site and the changes you've made, click on the View Temporary URL, which can be found on the main Website Control Panel page. This brings up your site and will show you the header and all the changes you've made. Simply close this extra window to go forward. Go back to the basic setup. And this time we're going to go to Set About Page Text. This is the same as setting your home page text, but this goes on your About Us page and gives you more of an opportunity to tell your customers about your store, your staff, and why they should shop with you. Images here can also be added, and you can use hosting from ImageShack or imagehosting.com for these images. Once you add your homepage text and format it with the editor, simply hit Update Text. Setting up your store locations is next. Click on Set Store Locations. Simply fill out these fields and tell us about your locations. You can upload a photo of your locations by selecting Browse and choosing the photo location on your hard drive. Just like with your logo, you'll select the file from your computer and it will be stored when you hit Update Store Location. Bazoing uses Google Maps to display your locations. Be sure you enter your address exactly as the United States Postal Service has it so that it will come up on the Google map properly. And finally, let's set our contact options. This is a very important step because you want to be sure you can be contacted when your customers want to purchase or contact you. The top box here is for email addresses that want to be contacted when someone clicks on Get This Phone or Get This Plan on your website. You can enter more than one email separated by commas in this box. We can also notify you of these requests via text messages if you enter your SMS email address in this field. And finally, on your contact page, your customers have another opportunity to get in touch with you. Enter your email address in this box for who should receive these requests. Oftentimes, these less urgent requests may be handled by someone other than the contact settings for hot sales leads. The last question gives you the option of posting this contact form email address directly on the Contact Us page. The contact form will still display, but your email address will also be listed. It's up to you whether you want to do this. The only drawback is that email addresses that get posted on websites tend to get a lot of spam email because robots scan web pages for email addresses. Once you've made your choices here and your selection here, hit Update Contacts when you are done. That's it. You've completed all the essential steps to getting the most out of your Bazoing website. You can set more options in advanced settings should you choose.